Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing things that I've bought from footlocker. So this is the receipt. Yeah. First of all, there's this PGs4. Look at the case of the box. It's nice. Hold up. Take a look at the box. Oh, it's so cool, bro. Looks so good. And then you open up the box. Unwrap the folder. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. Wrap this up. There's one side. It's alright. So, as you can see, these PGs, it looks so cool. And it's like the zip here. Unzip this. And you unzip it, and then there you go, shooters inside. And supposed to tie it from the outside to the inside, which is from here. Then you tie it, and then it goes in. Hold up, let me tie it up. Then you zip it and it's done. There you go. It's how it's supposed to look like. And alright, let's move on to the second item, which is pretty sure more for zip. I bought most of it socks, and this one is Adidas socks, and it's nothing much. Basically, it's just socks. And if I were to rip it off, yeah, it's just socks. Nothing much. Okay, I'm having a hard time opening the socks. Okay, one pack. So this is how the socks look like. I want a clear angle, you guys. So how the socks look like, it's pretty long, stretchable.
And massage.
Alright, so the next item we got is the KD socks, man. $19, pretty worth it. Shout out to Justin, man. One of these KD socks is gonna go to you. One of the pairs gonna go to you, man, Justin. Shout out to you, man. Better delete that harassment video you have of me. I wanna see it tomorrow, man. No scam, man. No scam. No scam. I don't even know if you watch my videos, Justin, but okay. And this is how the socks look like, man. The KD logo here, and then left guard, and then it says right here. Pretty basic. Other side's the same thing, and it's just the left side. Alright. Last item of today, we have the Nike, like the Kyrie Irving colorway socks with the red and pink one and the green one, yeah. So kind of looks nice, like you can match it you can match both socks, like you can wear it's not that bad. It's basically just socks, and it's just the same color of each, and it's just like Nike here, and then there's a right and left. Same for the green side. And you can actually do like left and right. You can change the color and you'll become green and pink, and you'll be matching. So yeah, that's about it. And I have not bought any items other than this few, and also my yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy this video, guys. See ya.